Hello guys, today we're gonna replace the glass for iPhone 14 Pro. Okay, let's get started. So the first step we're gonna be taking, we're gonna use the laser machine to take off the frame. So we have this is the laser machine, we have the mold here, and we're gonna be using this, put these screens here. Okay, you have to make sure like this. Make sure it enters into the mode and we're with the starts. See? In this way, it's like safer. Okay, I'm thinking you guys gonna be okay. We recommend you guys to use this glass. Okay, now we're gonna be. Okay, the second step we have used the laser machine to burn a little bit of the frame. Okay, you have to start the separator. The temperature, I'm gonna let you guys know. The temperature is like 100. Now we're gonna be using a metal plate. Use alcohol. This is alcohol. The frame has been. We have used the laser machine. The frame has been like burned a little bit, so the glue is like softer. So now it's easy to take off the frame. So in this case, it's like way easier to take off the frame and to save the screen. Now you have to clean those glues on the screen using this glue remover. Okay, now this cutting wheel is 0. Okay, let's get closer to see this. This is iPhone 14 Pro. Now we're gonna clean the glue on the screen using this glue remover. So this process is glue removing. When it gets to the edge, I mean the flex parts or the edge of the screen, you have to be very careful. And also with this part, and also the edge of the screen, you have to be very, very careful. And now this is like a final cleaning process before the lamination. We have already cleaned most of the part of this glue, and we still have like small tiny pieces on the screen. So we're using alcohol. This is not something like special liquid. This is only alcohol, isopropylico. So you're using the alcohol to do the final cleaning. I know a lot of people are gonna ask us what kind of liquid we're using, but this is alcohol, not something special. I just repeat it so you guys can remember it. So iPhone 14 Pro, it has like hose on the screen, so it has to be you have to be very careful with that, especially when you are cleaning the camera. I mean the camera hole, the sensor, you know, the sensor where goes the sensor. You have to be very careful. And also on the edge of the screen, you have to be careful. Don't force it. So very important. Any screen, don't force it. If you force it, sometimes you break the touch, and also sometimes you break the LCD, the display. Okay, very important. From one side to another side, we are cleaning the screen. You are using the wiper from one side to another side. So this is the the key, the important notice. It's a very expensive screen, so we have to be very careful and to make sure so every part of the screen is clean. You don't want to redo the work, because most of the time when you redo the work, you break the LCD. So let's make sure the first time is perfect, so that we don't have to redo the work. So this is the glass with Olga. The Olga has been already applied on the glass. So we call it 2-in-1 glass. So this is from Master B. So our brand for materials. So very good presentation, very good quality. If you guys are interested in this glass, you guys can contact us for the. So for this one, our technician is gonna be using only by hand for the alignment, because we have shown you guys how to do this with a mode, but this time we're going to be doing this with a hand. Depends on you. So you can do this with your hand, and also you can do this with a mode. So it depends on you guys. So now we are put on after the alignment, we put on so this is the lamination mode, only for lamination. So we put inside of the laminator. So now let's get started. Start machine. Temperature 40, vacuum time 20. The holding time is 15 seconds. The pressure is 0.25. Can go a little bit up. So I'm 40 degrees, 20 seconds vacuum time, 13 seconds, 15 seconds, and 2.25 MPa. So this is the pressure. Okay. So now let's put it into the bubble remover. There are like small bubbles on it. So now let's put inside of the bubble remover. Make sure it's closed well. 5 minutes. So we're gonna be waiting for 5 minutes. We'll come back to see the result. In 5 minutes, let's take out the screen. Let's see how's the result. It's beautiful, right? Beautiful. Let's put it under the focus. Okay, I'm gonna ask my technician to test the screen. Okay, let's see how's the result, how the screen works. Touch works perfect. Beautiful. Okay, guys, so this is the whole process of how we replace a glass for iPhone 14 Pro. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, the content we have offered to you guys. And if you guys are like interested in any of the materials and also the tools we have used during the video, you guys can contact us for more details. And I hope you guys enjoyed, also benefit from our video. And thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.